Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome once again to our channel, and thank you so much for your your sharing and subscribing and following us on this channel. And today we're going to talk about how to get started with Metatrader 5. I believe you know that trading is one of the best opportunities out there to make money, and understanding the platform of like Metatrader 5 will also help you to trade effortlessly. Okay, so in this video guys, we're going to show you how to set up your Metatrader 5 by downloading it and customizing it, and secondly, you're going to learn the basic navigation and interface. All right, and after that, I'm going to show you how to execute trade, guys. Okay, and finally, in this video, we're going to learn how to do a chart analysis and also add your indicator. If that sounds interesting to you and it's something you are looking up to learn, kindly smash that like button and like this video, guys, and also subscribe to this channel. All right, so the first thing you need to do if you want to set up Metatrader 5 is, now we are talking about the desktop. Now the PC version of it is go to metatrader5.com, metatrader5.com, and once you are there, you will see this blue button. You click for it to download for your Windows, or depends on the app you are using or the OS you're using. I'm using a Windows PC. Then I click on it, download. Automatically it will be downloaded, and there you go. After it's been downloaded, you have it installed in your system. So mine has actually installed, so all you need to do is to start customizing it. Then the first thing you need to do here is, once it's been installed, is automatically Metatrader 5, if you are downloading it on mobile or on desktop, they automatically will create a demo account using like $10,000. Okay, here they use $10,000 to create a demo account for you, and which after testing your strategies, you can now connect your broker to the Metatrader 5. So assuming you want to connect your broker, that you have passed the stage of demo trading, you just click on File, and then you click on Open an Account. Then after that, you just type in your broker name. Assuming I'm using IC Market, just type in your broker name here. Automatically it will search for it. You now see the broker name pop down. They now select the one that applies to you, and all the details will be provided on your blog. Once you open an account with broker, you see all the details that you need to enter here, and there you go. But for today, let's focus on how to customize this platform. Now after this video guys, I'll also try and do the mobile version of this video. All right, so the first thing you need to do here is to customize your chart. All right, so you click on this expand, you right click and you click on properties. All right, so once that is done, you come here and see the scheme green on black. Okay, so meaning the background should be black. Then you have other features here or options here. We have black on white and color on white, so I leave it on green on black. Then personally, this is how I want to customize my chart. The grid should be black, then the bar up should be, I choose this lime green. Then the bar down, I always choose the red. The bull candle, I choose the bear candle, I choose it. This is my own favorite chart. This is how I want to customize my chart. Okay, you can see defaultly an indicator was added here when it was downloaded. So personally, I would like to remove it now. Just click on the indicator, and there you go, it's removed. So I just want to set up this as my template. All right, so I right click here, then you click on templates and you save templates. So here you put in the name. I will also put the black background. So I save the template, it's saved. All right, so then we are done in setting up the trading chart. Then the second thing I do is you set up on the market watch. Now you see all the instruments that are added there defaultly. Then assuming you are trading like other instruments that are not here, how do you add it to this market watch? So you right click, just click on this plus sign at the lower base, just type in, let's add gold. Right, just type and click, automatically it's added. So let's pop on the chart. Right click and chart window. Go chart is added. So you can see now for you to add your templates on how you have customized your window before, you just click here and load templates. Automatically it selects this black B you've saved. The template will be applied on your Go chart. Now you have it here. All right. So the second thing you need to do, like for instance, if I want to adjust this, most times it's stiff. It's as if the chart is stiff. Then I'll click here and click on properties. You come to the command, you select the scale fix. Scale fix, you just click on the scale fix and okay it. Okay, so the chart will be able to move up and down. All right, so the second thing you need to do is to customize your menu. Customize your menu. You see our menu here. There are some tools I would like to use that are not here. So all you need to do on this menu, you click on click on the menu. You see customize. Then you see a lot of toolbars, tools that are there. So you see this is one that are already there. Then this one that you want to add. So selected button, remove the one that you don't want and readjust them. Okay, so here I don't want this, I remove it. I don't want meta editor, I remove it. I don't want MQL5 signal, you remove it. Okay, I don't want the profile for now, I remove it. All right, so you see them. Then you have this. You can adjust them up or down as you wish. So you see, as you are adjusting it here, they are showing in my menu. All right, so you can actually still adjust it as you want. You adjust everything here. They are all showing here. So what else do we need? MQL5 virtual hosting, I remove it. So the more you're removing it, the more the lower algo trading, I remove it. So I think we are okay now. So basically this is what I want to be seen. I don't want this again. So it's okay now. Basically this is what I want. You just close it. So you can see you can use this to expand your chart and also use this to zoom in and zoom out on your chart as you want. All right, so we are done setting it up. Okay, so the next thing for us now is to how do we execute trade. All right, so in execution of trade, it's very simple, especially in Metatrader 5. All right, so you see where the market is. Now, having done your analysis, I believe that the market is going up. There are two ways you can execute trade. The first one is one-click trading, and it's here. So you can see once I click on any of these, the market will be executed. Let me see like buy. Automatically, the first time you need to accept the agreement. Yeah, we've opened a trade. So we've just opened a buy trade. Now let's analyze what we've just done. This is an open trade. This is on market execution, meaning we accepted the current market price. You must first of all put in your stop loss. So Metatrader 5 is easier for us to. So as I drag it down, automatically a stop loss is added here. You can see, and as I drag it up, automatically a take profit is added. So that's how beautiful Metatrader 5 is. Okay, so let me open another trade to illustrate other purposes. I open another buy. Okay, good. So, all right, I have two positions running. Now, if I analyze this second position, you have the first volume is 0.01 lots. The second one is 0.03 lots. Okay, so I have two positions running and concurrently, and the same thing applies in the second one. You can adjust, bring the stop loss down and the take profits up. All right, so the two positions are running. So how do you close a trade? Now there are two ways to close it, but before we go there, let's also look at assuming your trading strategy demands that you open a pending order, like a buy stop, a sell stop, or buy limit, a sell limit. How do you do that? You click on this new orders. Once you click on new order, You see, the first one we chose is instant execution. You click on it, select pending order. Then you see here buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and sell stop limit. All right. So it depends on which one. Like for instance, if I want the market, the buy limit is if I want the market to go lower than the current position before a buy will be executed, we select a buy limit. And sell limit, if I want the market to go higher from the current position before a sell will be executed. Then buy stop, I want the market to clear off the current resistance before appreciating in price. And sell stop to clear the current support before appreciating in price also. So these are the ways you set it up here. And let's just set up a buy stop at, let's use this crochet to put it here, 2170. So meaning until the market gets to 2170, don't execute this buy stop. So we'll put it here. See, it's pending and it will not be executed until the market gets to this 2170. All right, so that is just it. Now the beauty part is that as my trades are running, you can see they are all running in profit now. The first one is 0.01, the second one is 0.03 lot size. Assuming you want to close part of this lot size, just you want to take a partial profit, all you need to do is to double click on it. You can see the volume 0.03. all right, so let's enter 0.02 and we close this order number by 0.02 at this profit. Boom. Watch what happened. So you can see we just close a partial profit, and if you look at it here, you can see this second one is 0.01, 0.01. So that is how to take a partial profit off the table, guys. Okay, it's so beautiful that if you are in profit, you can take out a partial profit, and so that allow the winners to run and taking the profits along the way. Okay, so that is basically how to trade. So simple that you just give it a few minutes, you'll be able to grab the concept. Let's see how we can analyze the charts and also add an indicator to the chart, so which is simple. Now to add an indicator to the chart, you see, after analyzing it, personally I trade using price action, and assuming you want to add basic moving average, so you can come to the insert indicator, come to the trend. We have different types here of indicator. Come to the trend and put moving average. Now this is moving average. Defaultly you can put in the 50 moving average or the 20 moving average as case might be. Say okay, automatically you can see it's added on the window. So this is our moving average added. So this is how to add an indicator, whichever one you want to add. Let's see if you can add another one. Insert indicator, trend. Let's see, let's add RSI, relative strength index. Okay, let's use the default setting. Automatically RSI is added. Okay, so this is how to add your indicator to your window, just to help indicate where the price is going. But obviously price is the king. Okay, and if price is the king, price action is the way. All right, so that's the way take home for you in this video. Price is always the king and price action is the way, right? And that's how to catch the price, because indicator only indicates the happening at that particular time. They don't show you what will happen tomorrow. Okay, and so the price action is a summation of all the market participant at that time, and which tells you where the market is going. Anyway, this video is not about price action, but just like explain to you, especially if you are new to trading. All right, so I believe with this small illustration you'll be able to get started with Metatrader 5. Now, I'm going to do another video for the mobile version, all right, to show you how you can do the same with mobile version of this, execute your trade and all that. So let me close all the. All right, so now our positions are closed, and you can see the percentage, the profits also is added to our balance here. All right, so thank you so much for your time, and if you like this kind of video, please kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share. See you in the next video. Thank you.